Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories. And everyone will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just wanted to remind you, give this video a thumbs up, and now let's talk about the products. First one up is Olaplex No.4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. The size of this is 1 ounce. I got a little sample size right here. But the usual sizes are 3.3 ounces and 8.5 ounce. This one I got in a holiday kit. Kind of allows you to try a little bit of everything. I think I got like 1 big regular size of something in it and then small samples. I did record a live haul video. Don't remember if I showed this in that video though, but you could check out that video. Yeah. The main places that you could get it at is Olaplex.com, of course, then Sephora, and they're finally in Ulta Beauty. Then they are also on Amazon, like actual Olaplex selling through Amazon, so you could get them through there. The extra places, because Sephora is connected with Kohl's, you might find it there. And let's see, Sephora connected Kohl's, yeah. Ulta Beauty connected to Target, so you might find it there. Then possibly even the mall stores like JCPenney's, Macy's, Nordstrom's. You might find them there as well, or online through them. Now, most of those places usually carry the 8.5 ounces only, like Amazon only has 8.5 ounce. So if that's the case, then you will be paying $28 for that one. The smaller size 3.3 ounce is only $14. May vary though with who you're buying it from. Also, for you pros out there, they are in pro stores as well. Expiration date is 12 months, and on their website they do show you a picture of everything, basically like the whole bottle.
Pretty cool.
It is free of DEA, aldehydes, formaldehyde, nut free, paraben free, phthalate free, sulfate free, phosphate free, gluten free, and color safe for your hair. Also, of course, vegan and cruelty-free. Olaplex is formulated with bond-building technology, a very moisturizing and reparative shampoo. This shampoo restores and nourishes to help keep your hair shiny and very manageable every time you use it. Has a pH balance from 6 to 6.5. It is for all hair types, especially those who need some oil control or any clarifying. It repairs and protects your split ends, the frizz, damaged hair, keeping it very healthy. By relinking your broken bonds, it will help strengthen and reduce breakage for your hair. It has Morinda citrifolia fruit extract and banana fruit extract, rosemary leaf extract, Arctium lapa root extract, Origanum vagari leaf extract, Euterpe oleracea fruit extract, apricot kernel oil, sunflower seed oil, and sunflower seed extract. The smell of this, don't want it to spill, but very lemony. Not like a strong lemon smell, but like a, you know, the shampoo or skincare kind of a lemon smell. Doesn't really hit you in the face, don't worry. It's not like, ooh, lemon, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like a cleaning product lemon smell. Yeah, I think you get me. Now, of course, as you notice, it is No.4, so they recommend you using it after you had in the salon. Is number 1 and 2 salon only items. Most likely the hairdresser is going to use that. So after you use number 1 and 2, then you use 3, which is the mask, and then when you have to rinse that out, they want you to use the number 4. It's a whole system, Olaplex system. And then you use number 4 in your hair in the shampoo area. Squish, squish, squish. Your hairdresser might also use this in the salon as well. So after you squish, you want to then go ahead and concentrate at the roots. Then, of course, distribute it everywhere else, all throughout your hair. No matter how long your hair is, just distribute it everywhere and then rinse. And that's it. Of course, you can use it daily or every wash, it says. Maybe they meant every other wash, I'm not sure. But wait, there's more. After number 4, you can use number 5 and then 6. I think they just came out with a 7. Yeah, there's more. But of course, you don't have to. You could use like number 4, then you could use a different conditioner if you'd like.
But you didn't hear that from me.
It's definitely meant to be used all together so that it can maintain your healthy hair that you got from the salon. Yeah, that's how it's being sold. And if you really do want to maintain your hair and rebuild it to become stronger, then I would highly suggest you do the whole entire shebang. Next one up is Schwarkopf Fibre Clinix Fortify Shampoo. This one is 10 ounces. I do believe there is a liter ounce out there. Usually they sell these as duos. That's how I got mine, like a special kit. Not really sold separately, but if you do find it separately, the price will be a bit high. So just like Olaplex, your hairstylist is supposed to use the Fibre Clinix line, the salon items only, they'll be using that. And then this one is presented as an at-home shampoo, so you could continue maintaining what they did at home. So you would think this is going to be sold everywhere, you know, like in Ulta or Bed & Baths or Harmon Values, you know, somewhere you can easily purchase it and be able to get it to maintain your hair at home. But no, unfortunately, it is not. It is only being sold in pro stores, which means that your hairstylist is going to probably most likely stock up on it, which is why they're being sold in kits. They will stock up and then they will have it in their salon, or maybe you might even find it at an independent beauty store that is possibly even connected with a salon. So it is their job to use the other products, the salon-only products, and then sell to you this to continue maintaining your item at home, your hair at home. If you are not a pro and you're a regular customer who just happened to bump into it at Amazon, be very cautious. The ones that are being sold on Amazon and Walmart online are usually being sold by somebody else. So again, it is a risk. It is not the actual company that is selling them. Now, because it's not being sold directly from Schwarkopf and it's going to be sold by somebody else, the prices are going to be high and the prices may vary. So I saw probably the lowest like around $18 all the way up to $53 for the packs, the kits. Yeah, a lot of people are trying to get their hands on this, but buyers beware. Dun dun dun. This should last you 12 months. This shampoo has triple bonding or tri-bond and C21 technology. Can be used on your damaged hair or even over-processed hair. Wow. Formulated with niacinamide, or also known as vitamin B3. It will help strengthen and nourish your hair from inside to out. It will help maintain the rebuilt and revitalized hair fiber until your next salon visit. Gently cleanses and smooths and seals the hair surface. It is for fine to normal damaged hair. Sodium olefin sulfonate, hydrogenated castor oil, and perfume for fragrance. Same smell as Olaplex, lemony fresh, a little bit lighter, I would say.
Yeah.
It also has stearidimonium hydroxypropyl hydrolyzed keratin, and of course the niacinamide or niacinamide and glycine. So basically what you want to do with this is very simple. When you're in the shower, all you want to do is psh, 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 go ahead. By the way, if you really wanted to lather up, go ahead, do this, and then just go to town and massage it really good. Of course, distribute it everywhere. And then just rinse. That's it, you are done. Now again, they want you to continue with the line. So you might want to go ahead and use the conditioner it comes with if you get the pack. And then that's it, you are done. And they probably have some more products that they want to sell to you. And then you would be done. Okay, now we're going to have the results here in a moment. No, I'm just kidding, they're here. Okay, here we go. And, oh my gosh, everything moved. And then, here we go. Okay, here it is. Schwarkopf 100%. Wow. I think you pros kind of like this. Was it the pros putting in the votes, or was it the customers? Because if it was the customers, I would have think that Olaplex would have won, which is interesting. A very controversial vote indeed. Do you agree with this? I want to hear from you. Should Olaplex have won? I'm only saying this because I know a lot of people love Olaplex. So I would like to hear from you guys. Go ahead in the comments below and tell me which one you love, either Olaplex or Schwarkopf, and I will feature you in next week's video. This week we don't have any features. Wah, wah. But that's okay, we are moving on to nothingness. That's it, we're done with the video. So sad. Well, I hope to see you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.